Welcome to this introduction to the Cloud Discovery Workspace. In this demo, we will walk through installation, navigation, the new Cloud Discovery role, and an overview of key dashboards and reports that make cloud asset management easier and more effective. First, let's install the Cloud Discovery Workspace. In the Application Navigator, type Plugins, and on the system definition, you will be able to see the link. Click on it. In the search bar, type Cloud Discovery Workspace. In the case of this instance, it's already installed. However, let me show you how it looks, the Cloud Discovery plugin in your instance. As you can see, here is the Cloud Discovery Workspace. Click on it. In the top right-hand corner, you will be able to see the Install button. Click on it and follow the prompts. Once installed, this will add a dedicated workspace for managing your cloud discovery process. To access the workspace, simply either go into the Filter Navigator and type Cloud Discovery Workspace, and you will be able to see the link from there. You can also use the Workspaces menu, and the Cloud Discovery Workspace will be there as part of the list. Once you click on it, this will open a centralized interface that brings together all your cloud discovery insights in one place. One thing to note is the new cloud discovery role, which is the SN Cloud Ops WS, the Cloud Ops Admin. This role grants administrative access to the Cloud Discovery Workspace, enabling you to view, configure, and manage cloud discovery activities without giving full platform admin rights. Let's go back to the Cloud Discovery Workspace, especially the Cloud Discovery Dashboard. Within the Cloud Discovery Workspace, you will be able to see the Cloud Discovery Dashboard link. Once you click on it, this will be your central hub for the Cloud Discovery data. This dashboard consists of several reports: the 30 days discovery runs, upcoming discovery schedules, the total configuration items report. This report will show the total number of discovered cloud CIs, giving you visibility into your cloud footprint. The cloud discovery errors. In here, you will be able to identify the issues from past discovery runs so they can be addressed promptly. Credentials report will show currently configured credentials for cloud providers. These are critical for successful discoveries. The Meet Servers report showing the status and availability of Meet server used for the cloud discovery jobs. There is the Service Accounts report showing an overview of the current cloud service accounts linked to your environment. And lastly, the Cloud VM by Data Center report. This will visualize the distribution of your virtual machines across data centers, helping you with cost and resource optimization. Let's do a deeper dive into the discovery schedule. If we click on the discovery schedule right below the dashboard, it will take you to a list of all the current schedules that have been set up so far, and it will show you the schedule name along with the type of discovery. If we click on one discovery schedule, from here, you can modify the current schedule by clicking on the edit button. You can actually add new discovery schedule. Once you click on it, it will take you to a guided setup in which you can input all the specific items to create a discovery schedule. And most importantly, the cloud admin user will be able to troubleshoot the schedule by clicking on the status bar. From this, one can visualize the discovery log for that discovery schedule, the devices discovered, the ECCQ, and any errors produced by that discovery schedule. Let's go back to the Cloud Discovery dashboard. And after the discovery schedule, there is the status links. This section will provide with a list of all discovery logs results from all the discovery schedules that have run so far. From this list, you can go into a specific discovery schedule, result, and review the details, logs, devices, and ECCQ of that schedule run. For instance, let's pick the first record. And as I mentioned, you can see the details of that discovery schedule run. You can actually see the discovery log messages, and again, devices discovered and the ECCQ. Going back to Discovery Workspace, the Discovery Dashboard, after status, it is the mid-server section. This will show a list of all mid servers currently connected in the instance. From here, you can select a mid server and review all the mid server configurations. For instance, you can see the host name, the operating system of the host. If the mid server has any issue, you can actually leverage the mid server issues tab. You can add new configuration parameters to the mid server by selecting the configuration parameters tab and click on new. And you can also, among other things, you can actually click on the IP ranges and add the IP ranges that this mid server is allowed to view and access. Let's go back to the Cloud Discovery dashboard. And after the mid server, it is the Credential section. In this section, you can quickly see all your configured credentials. More importantly, it shows their validity status, letting you know if they are still active and working correctly. Lastly, credentials are critical prerequisites for connecting to and identifying devices within your cloud infrastructure. Moving along, the service accounts section after the credential. The service accounts are essential for automating processes without human intervention. For example, a service account with the appropriate credential is used by the mid server to log in into target devices and collect data for discovery. A service account is there to perform an automated task. It is a security best practice to never use a personal user account for automated processes. Lastly, service accounts store cloud providers' access details securely. helping ensure discovery jobs run without interruptions. In summary, that's a quick tour of the Cloud Discovery Workspace. With his focused dashboards, dedicated admin role, and powerful reporting, it simplifies the way you manage and monitor your cloud assets. Thank you for watching and happy discovering.